Hello, my name is Matthew Bragula, and today we will discuss the theory of uses and gratifications. First off, let's get some key things straight about the ideas that this theory implies. Firstly, in this town, the audience uses the media, not vice versa. This differs from other ideas such as cultivation theory, which implies that the media we immerse ourselves in is slowly feeding us messages and influencing how we think. Well, not round here, partner. Uses and gratifications focuses on how we, the audience, influence what is being produced. The media is not seen as this enormous, overpowering, and controlling entity from a dystopian novel. Uses and gratifications imply that media should not be perceived any differently from any other outlets we seek out to grab and captivate our attention, as well as meet our needs. We, the audience, are not passive in this search for media. Rather, we willingly seek out forms of media that will entice us. And because audience reception is so important and so valued in this theory, the media will form content based on said reception. So, we help the media helps the audience, and a perpetual cycle of media seeking is formed. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's discuss how this theory came to be. The idea was first published as a collaborative study by Elihu Katz, J. G. Blumler, and Michael Gurevich. It was titled Uses and Gratifications Research and was based on the assumption that people use the media for their benefits. However, it started in 1969 when J. Blumler and communication theorist Dennis McQuail started studying the 1964 election in the United Kingdom to figure out why people were watching certain political television programming. They were able to categorize people's reasons for seeking out programming into 4 categories, those being diversion, personal relationships, personal identity, and surveillance. But what do these 4 categories really mean? Diversion can be described as escapism, similar to how we might watch a cartoon to escape from our routine and de-stress. Personal relationships refer to companionship and forming social bonds, like how some people watch sports and rally behind a particular team to be more connected with a larger group. Personal identity can be explained, by finding content that helps solidify our core self. So a person who is liberal might watch left-leaning political television programming to reaffirm their ideas. And finally, we have surveillance, which means we use it to seek out information. We use Google to answer questions we have about pretty much anything, and television news can be used in the same way to learn about current events. Do you want to learn about serial killers in the 1970s? People turn to podcasts and television shows about that topic all the time. Blumler, Katz, and Gurevich expanded their theory in their 1974 book, The Uses of Mass Communication, which came up with 5 basic assumptions of uses and gratifications. We'll get into that in our next episode.